about a show like Kumkum Bhagya would be very tough because there's so many characters. It's going to be like to assimilate all of them in one story is so tough. But I think it's very format breaking as a show. It doesn't. If you ask me, is it a love story? Is it a family drama? I can't say. It's inspired by the classic, but I think I left the classic long behind with Anil Rai weaving a totally different tale from it. Because I think when you write something, if it doesn't come from inside, it doesn't really work as a story. But if you ask me the essence of the show, it's clearly just this much, that in life, there are going to be many people who are going to touch your life through various things. Different moments, different people will come and go. And there are going to be different stages you call of love, of relationship. But the one person who sticks by you at your worst is the one that matters. And if that person is the one who is weaved in your destiny through the kumkum that's in your mang, then that's a relationship to actually cherish for life. And you never know that, because destiny, for women at least, a lot of times, is different till they get married, and then after marriage, their destiny changes because it's linked with someone else. I think now, more than anything else, I'd show everyone the AV. Let's see the AV.
What it feels like to be a part of the show. A little bit about your characters first.
कुमकुम भाग्य में मैं बीजी यानी कि दादी का रोल कर रही हूँ, और जैसा कि अभी आपने सुना कि ये एक फैमिली की कहानी है जिसमें एक माँ है, एक दादी है, उसकी 2 बेटियाँ हैं. जो माँ है वो अकेले ही मर्द बनकर अपनी बच्चियों को पालती है, एक मैरिज हॉल चलाती है. बच्चियाँ दोनों अलग अलग हैं, एक संभली हुई समझदार जिंदगी से समझौता करने वाली, तो दूसरी एकदम चुलबुली जिंदगी को ललकारने वाली, जो दादी यानी कि मेरी फेवरेट है, बुलबुल और प्रज्ञा.
मैं कुमकुम भाग्य में सुरेश प्ले कर रहा हूँ. मेरा कैरेक्टर बेसिकली आर्मी बैकग्राउंड से है, तो बहुत डिसिप्लिन्ड है, कायदे कानून अच्छे से जानता है, वक्त का बहुत पाबंद है. और कहानी में अब एक इंग्लिश प्रोफेसर है, कॉलेज में पढ़ाता है, जहाँ की प्रज्ञा भी पढ़ाती है. और ज़्यादा उसे लोग पसंद नहीं करते हैं, क्योंकि कुछ भी गलत हो रहा होता है, कोई ट्रैफिक सिग्नल जंप करता है, कोई वक्त पे नहीं आता तो वो सुना देता है. तो बहुत कम लोग हैं जो उसे पसंद करते हैं. थैंक यू.
नमस्ते, मैं बुलबुल का किरदार निभा रही हूँ. और आई मस्ट से, बुलबुल जिसका नाम सुनते ही आपके चेहरों पे हंसी, आई कैन सी पीपल स्माइलिंग. सो या बुलबुल ऐसी ही है, पटाखा है और बहुत सारी मस्ती लाने वाली है शो में. दादी उसकी फेवरेट है और उसकी अपनी टीम होती है जहाँ पे शी एक्चुअली लव्स दादी. उसके साथ उसका बॉन्डिंग भी बहुत अच्छा है. ये एक ऐसी लड़की है जो चाहती कि उसकी दीदी थोड़ा सजे, थोड़ा उसका जो टेस्ट होता है, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल बी इट क्लोथ्स, बी इट हेयर स्टाइल, बी इट एनीथिंग, शी जस्ट वांट्स हर दीदी टू बी अपडेटेड. सो या
नमस्ते, मैं प्रज्ञा का किरदार निभा रही हूँ. जैसा कि हमारी दादी ने कहा, मैम ने कहा कि प्रज्ञा जिंदगी को रियल तरीके से जीती है, जिंदगी से बहुत जुड़ी हुई है, बहुत प्रैक्टिकल है, जैसा आपने एवी में देखा. और वो उसके पास जितना है उसमें खुश रहना जानती है. शी वैल्यूज व्हाट शी हैज़ रादर देन वरिंग फॉर व्हाट शी डज नॉट. तो दैट्स द बेसिक मोटो. और जैसा कि सुरेश ने कहा, मैं उनकी एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर हूँ कॉलेज में. अपनी माँ की मदद करती हूँ ये मैरिज हॉल चलाने में, जिसका नाम है कुमकुम भाग्य। तो ये हमारा छोटा सा परिवार है और ये हमारी प्यारी सी कहानी है।
Hi, good evening everyone. कुमकुम भाग्य मेरे ख्याल से firstly is a very different show, खास करके इसलिए क्योंकि the show is named after a marriage hall. I'm playing the character of Abhi, who's a rock star. There's not much that's gone behind preparing for the role, except for the nuances and stuff like that. But it's been a great experience, and it's a lovely team to be a part of. I'm really fortunate to be a part of this team and Balaji yet again one more time. And this character is of a rock star who loves his music, and more than the music, he loves the perks that comes along with it. So I'm sure everyone, the audiences, will love watching Kumkum Bhagya and all the characters as much as we all will love playing it for all you guys. Thank you.
Thanks, Shabir. Thanks, everybody. We'd now like to have back on stage Ekta as well as our programming head, Namit Sharma. Please join us up. We'll open it up for Q&As. Friends, please put up your hands so that we know we need to pass the mic to you.
To have from the viewers for this show.
Actually, when I make a show, the first thing I think of is I try to block out external influences, including what anyone would think about the show. Because shows have to be made from the heart. So I love the characters. I feel I'm a part of this home, a part of this street, a part of these 5-6 lives that won't even have an idea how they'll introspect. It is not in a typical zone of a typical show. As you must have I'm not even able to tell you if it's a family drama or is it just a love story. I think I'm actually out of my comfort zone with this show. But I thought, you have so many family dramas on TV. And yet there are so many stories that don't get told because at some point they're not confining to the typicality or the typical rules of television. So we've made this show with a lot of heart. And we're hoping that the heart of the show reaches out to various hearts of various audiences. So expecting them to like it or hoping, I rather use the word hoping.
Any more questions?
हेलो एकता, इस शो से किसका भाग चमक उठेगा?
I'm hoping मेरा. सबसे पहले तो hoping मेरा. And I think भाग्य चमकेगा सबका. एक टीम का joint भाग्य होता है और I hope हम सबको इस शो से बहुत benefit मिले.
Hi, Ekta. I'm sure there's always news of, you saying that you're obviously close to your parents. And, every woman and every girl has to go to, like the story says, it's a marriage hall. And how you go through your courtesans and your parents show you people, you have to marry and you choose. Did that stage, and how did you cross that stage? How did you break that barrier?
That's very personal. I'm not answering that.
No?
No.
But did that, did that help you give ideas?
Very personal. Let's stick to the show.
Okay.
My personal journey, I'll talk to you personally later, but not on camera.
Okay, interesting. I'll ask the same question to the lead.